When it comes to extreme tuning projects, Mansory never takes the subtle route. The German tuner has once again pushed boundaries with its latest creation based on the Mercedes-AMG G63. This time, the already bold luxury SUV has been reimagined into something even wilder, a project known as the Mansory Grand Entrée. Featuring a completely redesigned exterior, a heavily customized interior, suicide rear doors, and an enormous power boost, this is one of the most radical G-Wagen builds you will ever see. Starting with the exterior, Mansory has gone all out with an aggressive body kit that completely alters the appearance of the G63. The vehicle wears bold fender flares, redesigned bumpers, new side steps, roof attachments, and a reshaped hood. The grille has been replaced with Mansory's signature design, while carbon fiber trim accents the body throughout. The white exterior finish contrasts with Mansory's trademark carbon look, making sure this G-Class grabs attention wherever it goes. Other notable additions include claw-like daytime running lights in the front bumper, extra taillights, and auxiliary lights mounted above the front windscreen. Even the spare wheel cover and wheel designs have been changed, ensuring no element of the SUV remains untouched. But what really sets the Mansory Grand Entrée apart from other G63 projects are its rear-hinged suicide doors. This unique feature adds a dramatic flair to the SUV, giving it a sense of exclusivity that few luxury vehicles can match. It also explains the model's new name, as Grand Entrée references the bold entrance passengers can now make when stepping out of the vehicle. The interior has also been given a complete makeover. Dominated by white leather upholstery with blue accents, the cabin exudes opulence and extravagance. Mansory logos are scattered throughout the space, appearing on the headrests, door panels, seat belts, steering wheel, and even the headliner. The center console proudly bears inscriptions such as Grand Entrée, Limited Edition, and 1 of 8, highlighting the vehicle's rarity. Only 8 examples of this model will ever be produced, ensuring exclusivity for the lucky few who can afford it. Under the hood, the Mansory Grand Entrée is more than just a showpiece. The 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8 has been tuned to produce an astonishing 820 metric horsepower and 1,150 newton-meters of torque. Compared to the stock AMG G63, which produces 585 horsepower and 850 newton-meters, this is a massive upgrade. The extra power cuts the 0 to 100 km/h sprint from 4.5 seconds to around 4.0 seconds, making this SUV not only louder in design but also quicker on the road. This project demonstrates Mansory's well-known philosophy of combining extreme visual flair with powerful performance. While it is certainly not for everyone, the Grand Entrée reflects the tuner's ability to transform an already iconic SUV into something even more exclusive and attention-grabbing. For deep-pocketed enthusiasts who want the ultimate statement piece, the Grand Entrée delivers exactly that. The Mansory Grand Entrée stands as proof that the boundaries of automotive design can always be pushed further. Whether admired or criticized, it cannot be ignored. It blends performance, rarity, and style in a way that ensures it will remain a conversation starter in the world of high-end automotive tuning. The question remains, if money were no object, would you dare to drive it?